Okay, so let's get started with the quality management in production planning. So the easiest way to figure out what the right data for us in order to work on some examples, the best way to do it is go to the database table. SE16 is the transaction to browse the data. QALS. That is the database table which is going to keep all the information of lot numbers, lot processing, inspection lot numbers. I put that information in there. I hit enter, and obviously I need to change the field names into field labels so that we can see in English. Click on user parameters, field label. Okay. So the plant and the inspection type. Inspection type, I would like to take inspection type 04, which is production. When you produce everything from the shop floor, when you receive it into the warehouse, you want to see the quality of the product, the finished product. So that is called 04. So I would like to see how many are there. There are 43. Okay. There are 43 inspection lots only for production. Okay. So let me execute. Once I execute it, I can see A, the plant number, B, inspection lot number, and also if I want to take a look at the material, I can smartly format the screen. I would like to keep only the fields what I need, only the columns what I need. How do I do that? Settings, format the list, choose fields. First deselect everything. Then let's select inspection lot. I need that. Plant inspection type, and also the material. If I want to take a look at the material, I can see the material also. Scroll down slowly just to check and see what fields are available for you. And so far I selected the plant. I need that. And also the inspection lot number. So you can select any of these fields, but there is a limitation. You cannot select more than 40 fields. There are a lot more than that in this table. And you can also take a task list type. Okay, task list type is going to tell you what kind of inspection plan you have, or what kind of inspection method you have, or what kind of master inspection characteristic you have. All of that is going to be visible in that thingy. Okay, So then that is enough for now. And I'm going to say copy. Then you can see only those fields. You don't see anything other than that. Okay. So I would like to go to this particular field, the lot number 208. That's in plant 1100. Okay. So I would like to go to this particular inspection lot. 208 is the inspection lot. I'm going to open another session here. And in this session, I'm going to go and do the display of lot. So expand logistics, quality management, quality inspection, inspection lot, lot processing, display. And put your number there, 208, enter. So from here, what you are going to see is A, the material number, B, plant number, C, the production order. Okay. So it is coming from a production order 700139. Okay. So that's the production order. So what I would like to do now is I'm going to create a production order. I'm going to create a production order. It's a quoting. It should be a process order. Okay. So we'll create a process order for this material. Okay. So once we create that, the process order, once you produce it, once you receive it, then you can see the quality management impact on the production planning. So what does it mean? It means logistics, production process, process order, create with material, let's first go to the display, then we'll come back here. Control V, this is the process order what we have. Order is not found. Process order is not found. Okay, no problem. So let us create one process order. The material number is C20 C202 C-202. The production plant 1100 and the process order type. So you can see the process order type also. I think it's PI01. You can go to drop down also. I'm creating a process order for one quantity. I want to say current date today. Okay. So for this material, there should be a master data. This is the bill of material. There's no master data. There's no master recipe. Okay. So why there is no master recipe? Do you want to save the data? No, I don't want to save the data. First, let us see why we do not have a master recipe for this material. So C203 is the transaction code, and we'll put this material number here, C-202, and the plant is 1100. Okay, it's not there, so there's no master recipe for this one. Okay, so there's no master recipe. So why don't we take a different one? We got a faulty one. Let's go and take a look at the other one. I have several materials here. We'll take this one or this one. 4000 is the material, and let's go and take a look at the quality QA03. That's inspection lot. Display inspection lot, Control V, enter. So from here we can see the information. This is a production order 600. Okay, so this is a production order, Control C. Let's go to /n CO03. That's a display production order, Control V, enter. So this is also not there. So whatever we take, we don't see these orders for some reason. Control C. Okay, this plant is 1000 and the material is a QS301. That's the material. So let's create a production order for this guy. C2C CO01 is a production order, and the material is, and the plant is 1000, and order type PP01, enter. So all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a production order successfully, so that once I create a production order I can show you the plant maintenance related stuff. Okay, so you have a BOM here. That's your BOM, and you have a routing. That's a standard routing. This is your standard routing. Okay, and go ahead and do the capacity check. Calculate. Schedule it. Save it. You see that preparing quality. So it has created a quality lot already. So you must have seen it, right? The quality lot is already created. Okay. So what I would like to do now is I would like to save it, and I have a production order which is going to have a quality piece to it, correct? So since we have a quality piece to it, and if you go and take a look at the lot, you are going to see the lot number now because it's already created automatically behind the screen. So what would be the lot, inspection lot /NQA03, enter. That should be the number. You see? So that should be the number. Hello? Yeah. It's up to you. Yeah, you first come here, then after that we go, right? Okay. Bye. Okay, so we just created, right? So we just now created, and that's the lot number, the inspection lot number. Okay, so the next step would be we need to do the goods issue, and we need to do the confirmation, and we need to do the goods receipt. Once you take goods receipt, that time you need to go and do the lot processing, results recording, defects recording, usage decision. Okay, that's the whole process. Okay, now what I would like to show you is the material. The material master has got a lot of information about the quality. What kind of information you can see in the material master? In the material master /n mm03, oh, this is not the material. We need a different material. This is not the material. Oh, QS301, that's the material. QS301s. QS301. Enter. So what I really need, only quality view, because that's where I would like to show you what is that you are looking for in the quality view. The way you set it up, the quality view, is with inspection types. So if you click on inspection setup, that will take you to the next screen where you can see inspection types. You see this? In process inspection. That means while you are producing it, every operation is subjected to inspection. The next one. Final inspection at the time of goods receipt from the production. That is also there. So if you want to take a look at the parameters that are attached to inspection type 04, put your cursor there, click on the detail information, then that's going to show you 04, which is goods receipt quality, is controlling how you are going to post the stock. It will be posted into the inspection stock, not in the unrestricted stock. Then it is going to have an inspection task, something like inspection plan or inspection method, and automatic assignment, and it's going to check for the characteristics values which you are going to examine, and all of that is going to be part of it. Okay, so that's the most important piece, which is making a material to be able to perform quality related checks. Having said that, now let's go and try to process our production order. So we created and we released it, right? If you go to /nmd04, you can see for this material, you can clearly see your inspection lot also there. So this one is your this is your production order. This production order is released, and now you go ahead and do the goods issue to this production order. Control C. Let me do the goods issue. So goods issue is MIGO. Very good. Goods issue, not receipt. Goods issue. And it's not reservation, it's for an order. I have an order number with me, that is Control V, then hit enter. The system is going to bring you the input component that you are going to issue. So that's one quantity. Go ahead and issue it. You cannot do the goods issue. There's a accounting related issue. Okay, let's see, at least can we do CO15, which is confirmation. Yeah. So we would like to say final confirmation. We confirm it and save it. Okay, so there are some finance related issues, but it did the confirmation. Looks like. Then we'll try to receive the product, goods, receipt, order. Okay. Select and save. Okay, so it is posted. So if I go and take a look at my stock /NMMBE for this material QS, I should see the stock in the quality. You see this? This is sitting in the quality. So we need to process this. Then once you take usage decision, then it is going to appear here. Till that time it's going to be there. So let's go and take a look at what we have here. Okay, so on this screen I'm going to do QA02. That's a lot processing. How do I do? First I need to do the results recording. Okay, so what would be the results? So inspection specifications are given right here. Number of non-conforming units, and so what would be the minimum and maximum? Inspection lot 1 inspected. results, accept or reject. I accept it. Okay, then I'm going to save it. Okay, so the results are recorded, and now I'm going to take a usage decision. So the usage decision is going to be accept and save it. Okay, how much you are accepting? 1 out of 1. So you are not rejecting anything, right? So 1 out of 1, save it. Okay, now if you go and take a look at stock, this will move from here to here. Why? You inspect it and you said it is okay, and it will come here. So refresh it. You see that? So this is called quality in inspection or inspection in production. Okay, very good.